Hello, I'm Chris Gilliland, President of William Douglas Management Company. Today in our Preventive Maintenance series, we're going to discuss French drains. Questions come up about drainage problems and the possible solutions. One of the most common solutions is a French drain. A French drain is basically a ditch lined with rocks or gravel that help drain water away from an area. It is used to protect the foundations of a home or structure from ground and surface water. French drains are also used in areas with standing water issues to drain water away. A French drain works on the principle of gravity being slightly sloped down from the area to be drained to the area where one wishes to redirect water. It is typically lined with a perforated pipe and surrounded with landscaping matting to prevent dirt or plant roots from clogging the system. Excess ground and surface water percolates into the French drain and is directed away. Note from this cutaway illustration of a French drain the perforated pipe. Note the gravel on top of the perforated pipe. Water is absorbed from the surface through the gravel into the pipe and is drained away from this area.